Well, good morning, happy Thanksgiving. I was just getting ready for a run, and I thought I'd pull the jet out and get the Johnson running. I haven't yet got it running since it's been mounted to the boat, so just got it up and running. Started great. Check it out. Got the muffs on, water's running. Looking good, ready to roll. Give a little gas. Now check out my tack. Something's definitely not right on there. So I'll have to take a look at that. There's that, you can see them idling at 3,000 RPM, so that's going to need to be fixed. You can see my my switch there. It's pretty cool, but I can't get the other ones to work, so need some work on that too. But I think she's about ready for the water anyway. Sea trial. Hey, have a good one.